Too much GH nie. Ghana for ahwefo etiefo. Onipa bi a won subscribe e too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa oman Ghana so na ye de bremu one god nie, the only one god in GH. Eho na da bia mehwe abrechefo ene Ghana for mo wiasa fa na me recommend emamo too much GH.
Mema obi bia akwa aba edeba too much GH anything so muni aba Mexico na mede ensem a agitre ni wo man mu eba beto mapo no so ede amamo na Ghana for ye na ni tua se ekoba se afie election course so parliament apai majority ne minority up to now ye hu ni afa majority ne ni afa minority na ekoba se supported dodo na to my different member of parliament na one also to my His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa na just confusion as setting in na since enu echino Bono regional chairman na just popularly known as Abronye DC no won kana no entu mu ye since then all the betu just said debut supported do na one to woman basket and blouse na I said na woman chair wo nyansa de na mo a wo mutu ye no woman boa His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa kwa chesa bro pan na mo di papa yi na etiefo ogusu gina the same assemnimu na wo ka se sa abatuo ne pa this year 2020 abatuo ne do mo disappoint Nana Addo pa na the tema ne kan ne nsem ne say yenhwe na esi wo parliament or see members of parliament esi den na presidential candidate free amanyoko from na speaker of parliament so free amanyoko from no one say member of parliament members of parliament almost disappoint His Excellency na nye omunkwa party executive for so one di na nyambo na support party supporters and kasa so one so anya na district officials and so one ni na won yotwe eyadwa one ni na disappointed His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa mo di nyambo ankasa mo di meko awonani na the tema na kan nsem ne say wo kai say si okọ secret meeting bi ewo wenchi na ewo mpono ni okwati ye ne krampo na bro na adwene ne nti ase so chese wo dwenwa ma woda wonda any say nsim bi ekọ wo ho any say t-shirt chese form for Nana chese ye di ma abranta le dindi ya owusu ansa sanka be ya won chichema echitaifo NPP echitaifo nanka wo campaign wo sha na chese wo kasa form for Nana anka ye free no abrante ya owusu ansa no woton ye woton ni 20 cedis ma echitaifo no na enu na wo ka se na wo hwe sa ne ye we ni na esi den na support simple mo ni beji wo se wo mokoto abana ma Nana Addo efri se wo ton t-shirt awo aye de camper mount t-shirt aye kasa mount na wa ton 20 cedis ya na wo hwe party no omani eje hu ana omani beje hu na osusu se no bi ma MPP echitaifo no dani wo machi e de kire MPP amanyoko emra na wo mokwakoto abano na etiefo ma memfa ne nsem antudwa senya wo kan pepepepe. Speaking on popular Bono based Bono radio, Abronye DC shared that some members of parliament, party executives, district party officials, as well as party supporters disappointed President Akufo-Addo. Some big name in the party, according to the best of my knowledge, disappointed President Akufo-Addo and tried various ways to sabotage his victory. He said, "It's for some kind of what say penifo bi, especially members of parliament, woman dinner young bopa, din abeto jana, me say, brother, you want bought a din, so let's for what was you say." Abronye DC further explained that he was stood in secret meeting with executive of Wenchi supporters of the party that won of the party, that one party executive who goes by the name Yao Owusu Ansah, who was tasked with the responsibility of distributing party items like customized 4 more for Nana t-shirt, failed to distribute the items as he was caught selling the t-shirt for 20 cedis. It's for saying I'm the kind ebopo a year and some so no. Now what to us, so party items that were made to be distributed for free was later sold to party members and sympathizers. How can this happen, and how do you want people to vote for the party if you engage in such acts of purchase? Aye t-shirt ya ye call the ton 26 e wo mreko a na nka ye se wo mo fa ncheche si den na entumi entu dodona sintidua se wo mo beto aba no ama eye nanajo. Now it's here for what to us. So I was secretly told that one executive at Wenchi who goes by the name was selling party items. You have all disappointed us because this wasn't what we told you to do, he added. Okache said, woman disappointed, yeah, it's essence na na do dan kwa anamanu ko MPP na essence was to say, and she say, yeah, woman, you want call, yeah, no quality be an anchor, so woman bemu, nini na no chess, oh man, yes, sir, I'm yes, supported to donor to my excellence, so. Members of parliament just says see there crowd kusua minority and majority no yen specify say akwama MPP and akwama NDC na yen show who parliament na majority and akwama MPP e be dey na decisions bebre no will be confirmed and I say ye betumi implement and decisions critical ones no to be understood ama etumi proceeding ama boa eye o mind na just a confusion setting in na say for say na city preset parliament and what ento jina even those abroad are expressing afa a disappointment and akoso sana na hu no ana sana timemufo na o madwen esi etie say wo mo pa akodi na abroad na say na city bia we gidi say wonsu a wutie mi don hwe mo wo adwenkyere jawadwenkyere to your comment section wa subscribe to Tuma GH if you dey kase did you me bia to ma mo mo ana on Saturday na to me a kire wa de wuti mo pon na ahyehye so na we like share promote channel mercy ka na mi kita ho yi eba so mo aha na mi di mo besi dasene ye besa ehia makawa.